It looks like gold and silver prices are continuing to rise. Silver now up over $24 an ounce, but the big news is gold. Gold now well over $2,000. Is this rally ever going to stop? Thank you so much for watching. I do sincerely appreciate it. This is blowing my mind. Just like a week ago, gold price was down to $19.37. If you remember, at this point in time, Jerome Powell was saying we might have to do more rate hikes. I think we might have some more rate hikes on the table. And I put out a video saying absolutely no way, not gonna happen. Well, I was right. No more rate hikes. That's the plan. And gold has surged $75 an ounce since this point in time. Now well over $2,000 an ounce. I mean, it's up almost $30 on the day. This is such a big move for gold. Silver moving up almost 50 cents in a day. That's certainly a big move. A 2% jump for silver. If we look at platinum, we can see platinum's up to about $19.50. Palladium up $15. So yeah, all the metals are moving up. If we take a look at the gold silver ratio, we can see it's basically flat for the day. It is down about half a point. So I guess, yes, silver is moving up faster than gold, but it doesn't really seem that way because gold crossing such a major threshold. If it can stay above 2,000 and continue to go up from here, I mean, this is really big news for gold. I mean, we're talking all-time high territory right around the corner. So I guess the question now becomes, is this trend going to continue? Is the rally going to ever stop? Well, first we need to look at why precious metals are moving up today in the first place. Today is the day that the FOMC meeting minutes will be released. Now, if you have no idea what that means or why it would affect gold and silver prices, let me try to break it down for you. I honestly did not understand myself what the meeting minutes were until I did a little bit more digging. So basically the FOMC, or the Federal Open Market Committee, you can see that right up here, they're the ones that kind of decide if rates are going to go up or not. Obviously, Jerome Powell speaks at these meetings and he says if the Fed is leaning more dovish or more hawkish. Hawkish is, yes, we're raising rates. Dovish, we're not going to be raising rates. So the reason that these meeting minutes are important is because they kind of break down in a more concise fashion what they were thinking during the last meeting and the opinions of the individual members. So it's more information, and obviously these meetings are a big deal because if the Fed does raise rates, this is going to be bad for precious metals. It'll make the dollar stronger, and it could even push us into a recession. But if they don't raise rates, then, well, this is good for precious metals because the dollar is going to get weaker, etc. So the last meeting was on October 31st until November 1st. So it's been 3 weeks, and we should see the minutes here, I guess, later today. I don't know when in the day they are released, but these minutes are supposedly going to point towards a dovish stance and no more rate hikes and possibly even some rate cuts sooner rather than later. If we take a look at the CME Group FedWatch tool, we can see at the next meeting, the target rate probabilities for December 13th are now 99.8% chance that they don't raise rates and a 0.2% chance that they start cutting rates, which would be insanely bullish for precious metals. So it looks like they're not going to be doing any more rate hikes. And then in May of 2024, they're predicting this is when the rates will start going down. 47.8% chance of a rate cut next May. So all of this is bullish for precious metals. The minutes that are being released later today probably should indicate that this is the plan. This is what's going to happen. So I don't really expect to see gold and silver going much higher today unless the meeting minutes are like super dovish and indicate that some of the members were leaning towards a rate cut even sooner than May, then we could see gold and silver move higher, I suppose. But obviously, if the minutes are leaning more hawkish, then this is bad for precious metals and we could see the prices fall. I kind of hope that that is the case because I was hoping for some really good deals on gold and silver this Black Friday, but if silver spot price continues to go up, well, that may not happen. I literally put out a video yesterday talking about Black Friday deals, and in one of those deals, I was showing a gold bar, the new Johnson Matthey gold bars, and how you could get them for under $2,000 an ounce. You cannot buy them that cheap today because gold spot price has come up. So if you wanted to get one of those under 2,000, I hope you bought it yesterday. I mean, it certainly is possible we could see spot price fall and you could get them that cheap or even cheaper on Black Friday. Maybe, probably not. I don't know. You know, it's really hard to predict these movements day to day. Where's silver going to go tomorrow? Where's gold going to go tomorrow? Your guess is as good as mine, but I personally don't like to buy when the price is going up. I like to buy when the price is going down. So I'm really, really hoping for a dip come Black Friday so we can get our gold and silver even cheaper. The Black Friday deals typically are amazing. In fact, SD Bullion just released a spot deal today. I'm going to highlight it briefly. They actually added a bunch of deals. You can see there's a deal on kilos. There's a deal on junk silver, gold maple leafs, peace dollars. There's a bunch of new things in here, but the one I want to highlight, this is a really good deal. Anyone making any purchase at all from SD Bullion today, tomorrow, whenever, you need to add one of these to your cart because you're getting an ounce of silver at spot. It is such a great deal, and these are really cool silver rounds as well. I love this design. It's the 10-year anniversary silver round. Really, really cool piece. So if you're buying anything from SD Bullion, throw one of these in your cart because this is such a good deal. I want to show you how volatile silver has been this year. The lowest price we saw was 20 bucks an ounce back in March. The highest price we saw was actually on Star Wars Day, May the 4th, $26 an ounce. Currently, it's sitting at 24. So I've been trying my absolute best to buy all of the dips this year. I hope you've been doing the same. But I think I've been pretty good. I might treat myself to a little bit of Black Friday fun anyway, even if we don't see a dip, just because I do it every year and I like to buy stuff around this time of the year anyway. But if we do look at the 1 week chart, I mean, silver has been trending up. So last time I called for a dip, it didn't happen. I feel like it just keeps wanting to move higher. Gold keeps wanting to move higher as well. So I don't know. I mean, looking at the big picture, I'm hoping for a dip, but I'm not really expecting one. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to put them down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Silver Dragons out.